In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted event in Google Calendar. We all know how frustrating it can be when you accidentally delete an important event, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through getting it back in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your desktop through your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that the calendar is associated with. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've accessed your calendar, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll notice the familiar gear icon at the top, which represents the settings. Click on this icon and in the drop-down menu that appears, select Trash. Upon entering the trash, you'll see a list of events that have been recently deleted from your calendar. This is a handy feature as it holds onto your deleted events for up to 30 days, allowing you plenty of time to recover them if necessary. As you scroll through the list, locate the specific event that you unintentionally deleted and now wish to restore. Once you found the event you're looking for, it's time to bring it back to your calendar. To do this, click on the event to select it. You should see a restore option, usually indicated by an arrow icon appearing alongside the event details. Go ahead and click this restore icon. By doing so, you'll return your chosen event to its rightful place in your calendar, exactly as it was before it was deleted. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your important event is back where it belongs, and you can breathe a sigh of relief. This straightforward process is a lifesaver for when accidents happen, ensuring you never lose track of essential appointments or reminders. Some additional tips for managing your Google Calendar. Always double check before deleting, especially if it's a shared event, and take advantage of the color coding features to organize your events more effectively. Plus, remember to regularly back up your calendar. While it's less common to lose data, having a backup can give you extra peace of mind. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in restoring your event to Google Calendar. If you have any more calendar related questions, or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.